Hey guys! So, we have been traveling now for about 1 month and a half. Until now, we have been in Thailand. We went to Bangkok, north of Thailand, south of Thailand, middle of Thailand.
All over Thailand.
Now we're in Penang, in Malaysia, which is a World Heritage Site. Yeah, so as you can imagine, for the last month and a half, we have been staying in a lot of different hostels. Hostels that go from 8-bed dorms to 24 to 28 beds. A lot of beds. Incredible, amazing places.
And as much fun it is staying in hostels with all the partying, people, toast with jam, shared bathrooms, it's nice to sometimes have your own private space.
That's true. The problem is that we also want to stick to our budget. The great thing about Asia though is like through Airbnb, Agoda or Booking.com you can find amazing places with really low prices.
Now after 1.5 months we decided that we wanted to find a chill place.
Yeah.
And we managed to find an amazing place on Agoda for only 20 euros per night. 10 euros per person, which is within our budget. And it was actually 70% off on Agoda, so you can find amazing discounts.
What else can you need?
Can you ask for?
What else can you ask for? So today we want to show you this amazing place. Check it out. Follow us.
Thank you for watching. Subscribe. Thank you for watching. Follow our trip for more tips.
For more ticket trips, follow us.
For more advice, follow us.
No, I don't know, I think it's fine.
No, thank you for watching. What are we saying? Thank you for watching.
We need a